right, George, what are we making?
A gearbox.
Oh man, this is gonna be fun. All right, day 2, George. What's our update?
We've been here. We finished this entire thing.
All right, so what are we working on? What'd you work on?
I worked on this piece to start.
All right, so let's go and try to do some more of this complicated thing. All right, George, you want to explain to Uncle Steve how your gearbox works?
Yes.
Okay, show him how it works.
So the middle one, you spin it, and none of these gears spin. And then I'm gonna go to 1, and it will spin slow. And then second, it will go faster. And then third, it will go really fast and click a lot. Then reverse, it will go the other way.
Very good. Say thanks, Uncle Steve.
Thanks, Uncle Steve.